Now that we have our exterior walls completed, we're going to start working on the interior partitions of the building. So you can see I have the shell of my building done. I just have a rectangle drawn where my covered porch is going to be. And I'm going to get started on the interior walls. Now in this design on my sketch, what I have is over in this part of the tiny house, an area for a bedroom and a closet down in this corner. There's a small hallway that goes back in this area, and I have an 8 foot by 8 foot space for a bathroom and a closet up in this area right here. So the easiest way to start doing these interior partitions is to just use the rectangle to sort of map out the space on the floor plan itself. In this case, I am going to use layer plane instead of screen plane. That way, when I move the project around using the flyover tool, my rectangles will move just like they're a part of the floor. So to get started on this, I'm going to zoom in and carefully click on this corner of the inside edge of the drywall right here and drag this rectangle down. Now this rectangle is going to go over 8 feet. That's where the wall is for this project. And it's going to come all the way down to the other side of the house right here. So all I'm going to do now is hit the tab key on the keyboard and just type -8 feet, enter, enter. That'll put in a rectangle of where my bedroom space is going to be located. Like I said, I also have a bathroom area up here that I want to box in. So I'm still going to use my rectangle tool. I'm going to click on this inside corner. And now I'm just going to type in tab -8 feet because I want to go to the left 8 feet. And I'm going to hit tab again. And I'm going to type in tab -8 feet again and put that space in there. That's where my bathroom might end up being located. So I have those two spaces blocked out. Now remember, this hallway is going to need to be 3 feet 6 inches wide. So we'll address that in the next video. I could draw in a rectangle right now and do that, but we'll take care of that in the next video because I just wanted to show you how easy it is to start to put some of these partitions in. I'm going to just click on my wall tool and I'm going to decide, do I want this wall thickness to be in the bathroom or the bedroom? And just whichever way I drag it's going to determine that. I'm going to end up dragging it this way so it does go into the bathroom. If I drag it down here, it would be going into the bedroom. I want to keep the bedroom the largest size that I can, so I'm going to draw a little wall right there. I'm also going to draw a wall over on this side and a wall across the front of my bathroom right there. So I've got those walls started. This is, I think, the easiest way to get these walls into the rooms accurately. Because what we can do now is just use the tool called wall join. It's in our building shell tool sets, wall join. And the two most common ones that we use are the T-join and then the L-join mode right up here. I'm going to start out by using the L-join mode. And I'm going to just hover over the middle of this wall until it's highlighted in red. Drag it over to the middle of this wall and clip that in there. That's going to end up being a corner join, just like that. I'm going to switch this to the T-join mode now so that I can join this wall up to my exterior wall, just like that. If you accidentally forget, we can undo it. It's no big deal. But if I were to leave this corner join mode and drag it up like this and select this wall, all of this part of the wall would disappear because I did a corner join there. That's why we have to use these different modes to join the walls. So I'm back to the T-join mode. I'm going to join this wall right up to there where it goes, right down to there. And just like that, we have our interior partition started. Now, like I said, I still have a closet in this area. I need to put in a closet in this area. But if we do the flyover tool, you'll see that my two rectangles move around with my drawing. And I've got the interior partition started, just like that. We don't want to worry about any door openings right now. We'll put the doors in later. If we were to worry about trying to draw this wall over to where the 2'6" opening is, and then a 6" wall for the jamb, we'd end up not having any wall up here above the door. So we'll put the doors in later. For right now, that's how we get started with the interior partitions. Let me know if you have any questions about that. There's another video that's going to talk a little bit more about how we need to move walls and add the closets. So watch that one next.